I never thought making eggs with lettuce would be so delicious. I'm going to start by breaking 2 eggs, then I'm going to remove the yolks and transfer them to another container. We'll beat these yolks, and this recipe is super quick and practical. Chop 3 to 4 lettuce leaves. Then add the chopped lettuce to the egg whites and mix. I'm not going to add salt to the recipe because it's going to be served with a sauce, which I'll explain to you in a moment. Once that's done, we'll grease the frying pan with olive oil and put the lettuce in with the egg whites over a very low heat. I thought it would wilt, that it would taste awful, but it was delicious. This recipe really surprised me. Once the egg whites are white like this, we'll roll up our lettuce omelette and then add the beaten egg yolks in this space here. The yolks have to meet the whites. Let the yolks cook and then we'll roll it up again. Now we're going to cut it into smaller pieces. It'll look like sushi. Then just serve with this delicious sauce made with soy sauce and honey. Very simple, right? So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next video. Bye-bye!